In this session, we'll be learning about merge and unmerging cells, as well as an alternative of merge or unmerge. So let us get started. First of all, you can see on the top that the cells for historical data are unmerged. So, well, your natural instinct would tell you that you want to merge these 5 cells and align the text to the center to make it look better. For example, like this. Well, the basic shortcuts to merging or unmerging cells in Excel is Alt-H and then M for merge, and then M again for just ordinarily merging your cells. And if you do this, you can see that these 5 cells are now merged into one single cell. And one more specific thing that you should notice is that the text itself is aligned to the left. So it maintains its original text alignment. On the other hand, if you use Alt-H-MC as in merge and center, right, now the text is aligned to the center after it merges. So Alt-H-MC for merge and center, Alt-H-MM for just simply merging and then keeping the original text alignments. And on the other hand, if you want to unmerge your financial model cells, Alt-H-M and then U for unmerging your cells. So Alt-H-MM, Alt-H-MC, Alt-H-MU for unmerging your financial model. So let's say that we have merged these 5 cells by using Alt-H-MC. Again, you can simply press F4 to repeat your previous command. Or you can, of course, press Alt-H-MC again. However, one major problem of merge and center or merging just any cell in financial modeling is that, well, you will be using the control space function very often in your future practices. Whether you want to format your entire column, whether you want to switch the orders of the column, and so on. So control space, very often used to select and single cell, but if you have some of the cells that are merged, now you cannot, just simply select just one single column by using control space. And that's going to cause a lot of inconvenience. So in financial modeling or in any business practice where they use Excel to manage data or analyze data or something, this merge and center or merge functions are rarely used. So we have to know an alternative to do that. So let me introduce you the alternative. So Alt-H-MU to unmerge again. And a very useful alternative of merging cells is to press Ctrl 1. Press Ctrl 1. We are going to get to format cells. Move to the right. Press Tab. And we're going to select, using your arrow keys, center across selection. So your text alignment for your horizontal cells would be center across selection. And this is after you select your desired cells. And simply press OK or Enter. And now you can see that it's doing the exact same display. So it looks the same. However, the actual text is on H3. Now it's not merged or anything. You can still select the entire columns. It just looks as if it was merged. So a very useful way, an alternative of merge functions. Again, Ctrl 1, Tab, choose center across selection, OK. Or simply press F4 to repeat the previous command. But unfortunately, Microsoft Excel did not designate the same function for vertical cells. So in this case, if you go to Control 1 and if you want to choose center cross selection for your vertical text alignments, it does not exist. So I'm not sure why they did not, make the exact same function for vertical, but anyways, there it doesn't exist. So in this case, unfortunately, we still have to use merge and center. So we have learned how to merge and center, and then unmerge cells using your keyboard shortcuts, and then an alternative way of merging cells, which was to go into foreign cells and select central cross selection for your horizontal text alignments.